Desiderio inbounding the ball for Calvin. Calvin again, brings down the ball. Calvin sending the play to Bautista. Down from the point territory. Stop. Offensive rebound is serving out. Para shot. Good rebound the ball to Buna. Buna again. Brings down the ball to Peralta. Peralta again. To Buna. To Orion. Hey! It's a traveling violation. Third over. Bautista is counting the ball. So Desiderio. Desiderio is slowly bringing down the ball to Kobe. To De Leon. De Leon again. Down from the corner. No good. Sanggunian ball.
Sanggunian. Sponsored by Consi.
Orion. To Guzman from the corner. No good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Bautista. Bautista again to Desiderio. Desiderio brings down the ball. Desiderio again to Kobe. Inside pass to Desiderio. Then take the shot. Recover the ball by Mr. De Leon. De Leon again takes it up. No good. Recover the ball by Mr.
No blood, no palm.
Sanggunian ball.
Makakala pa ka.
Orion releasing the ball. Sending the play. Orion again to Buda. Inside pass to Buda. No good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Garcia. Garcia to Kobe. Kelvin again. Flat pass to De Leon. Same ball. Garcia to De Leon. Down from the point territory. No good. Short. Rebound the ball by Mr. Buda. Buda again. Bring down the ball. Buda. Foul from number 25. Garcia. 18 seconds to play at the second quarter. Orion moving the ball, sending the play. Orion again to the front. Down from the point territory, air ball. Recover the ball by Mr. Bautista. Pass break, pass to Desiderio. Lays it up into